Ryan?
Yes.
So you're waiting for your operation, firstly consultation, and you're waiting for your doctor.
Yes, ready or not, I got a needle in me.
How are you feeling?
Good overall. There are a lot of people here, so it makes me less nervous.
Can you show me the problematic areas?
Yes, and this is bold, but I've got right there, and
Thinning on the
you see
crown.
it right on the crown, and then just a little bit up front.
Receded from
Yes.
hairline.
You got it.
Do you have hair loss in your family as well?
Yeah, some of my brothers do. Some have a lot of hair, which isn't very fair, but yes.
What are your expectations for today?
Well, not Brad Pitt because I have dark hair, but to hopefully just fix those areas and feel a little bit better.
And can you tell me what is the worst thing about hair loss?
The worst thing about hair loss is just feeling that you look older than you should look.
Mm-hmm. And is there a specific memory that you can tell us about this?
I remember being in my early 20s and running my hands through my hair and always seeing a lot come out.
Oh.
And then I was nervous that no one would want to date me. So, yeah, Ryan. I go by Ryan.
Ryan, how? USA, where are you from? Which state?
What's that?
Which state are you from?
Yeah, California.
I'm going to LA tomorrow.
Oh, you are? That's
Yes.
so am I. We might be on the same flight.
What time?
Right after this.
Uh-huh.
So it'd be like what, 1 something?
We are on the same flight.
Yes, we would probably. That's good. So if he messes up, I know where to find him.
Yes.
Yeah. Orange County.
Orange County, yes.
Yeah.
You're living in a nice district, I guess.
I mean, it's a great place to live.
Yes. So, do you have any kind of chronic disease and allergic reaction
No.
happened before? Okay, you don't have anything.
No.
You're 100% sure.
Yeah.
That's nice. So let me see the hair. So, what's your expectation from me today?
I just want to fill in the crown area and then bring my hairline down back to a little bit where it's more natural.
Okay, I will do first incisions for you, okay?
Okay.
So, I will fix here and the crown, and I will add some density here.
Perfect.
This is only the level of the line, and I will show it to you twice more, once after the incisions and once after we finish the whole procedure. So, after that, the second part of the local anesthesia will be into the front.
Okay.
Okay. Hopefully, you will have no pain. Okay, I will come. Okay. And we will discuss it. Okay. Anything?
I don't think so.
Okay. I'm coming. Okay, they are preparing you.
Okay.
When did it start?
The hair loss?
Yeah,
In my maybe mid-20s.
mid-20s.
Yeah.
And when you first recognized it, how did you feel about it?
I was nervous. You know, I took Propecia, bought shampoos, Rogaine. I almost had a hair transplant in my 20s, but I just waited to see if it would advance, and maybe when I got older, it would be better.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Do you think females have prejudice against men who have hair loss or baldness?
I don't think so, but I definitely think it all is about confidence. And some people look good bald. I do not look good bald, as you can probably see right now. So I got married with hair. I'd like to stay married with hair.
And when was the last time you shaved your head?
Never.
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 So this will be new
This
for you.
is, yeah. I don't even know if I want to see it.
Your operation already ended.
All done.
Tell me about the process, experience. How was it?
It was good. The only thing that hurt a little bit were the injections, but right behind the ear. And then after that, zero pain.
Zero pain?
Yeah, zero pain. Everyone was so nice and friendly, and I relaxed, and I'm great. Feels good.
How many grafts did they implant?
4,100. So
Can you show me your hair?
Yes, you can see it.
Do you like it?
Yes, I think I'll like it better when all the hair grows, but this was much better than I thought, so this is great.
Let's wait and see then.
Yes.
So Ryan, this is your first day after the operation. How was your night?
It actually was not too bad. It takes a while to get you sleeping on your back, but it was better than I expected.
And did you sleep well?
I slept well, kind of on and off, but it was a good sleep.
And now you're waiting for your medical dressing and checking part, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, let's see then.
All right.
Hi again.
Hi.
We made new bandage for you.
You did.
Okay, how do you feel now?
I feel good. Nice
Alright,
and clean.
Mr. Okay, Mr. Ryan. Your recipient area seems fine. All of new grafts are there. You had very good blood flow in your recipient area. It's good, fine for the future of newly grafted hair. Do you have any questions?
No, you guys have explained everything so nice and so good.
Thank you very much. Don't forget to do daily washing for your hair, okay, from tomorrow. And apply integrated cream after each wash. Alright, I can say only good words right now.
That's good to hear. I only want good words.
Okay, so thank you very much.
Thank you.
I hope after 12 months you will have hair
so
of
good.
your dreams.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, this was an awesome experience. Smile Hair Clinic. You follow the true transformation, and hopefully you look as good as I want.